Hello class 109. Today is Thursday, March 5th, 2020. My name is Nick Teacher and today we're going to do picture writing, page 34. So take out your books to page 34 and let's get started. Pause the video if you have to. Okay, let's look at question 1. So question 1, here's the picture. There's the picture. Question 1 says, what season is it? So let's look at the picture. What do we see? Well, we see snow. We also see, what's that right there? That is a Christmas tree. And when is Christmas? What season is Christmas in? Well, Christmas is in winter. So the answer for number 1 is 1. The season is winter. The season is winter, okay? Let's go to number 2. What time of day is it? Well, again, if we look at the picture, the sky is very dark. And if we look at the lights and candles, they are all on. Now, if the lights are on, that means it is dark outside. There is no sun. And when there is no sun, that means it is nighttime. So question 2, what time of day is it? We can say the time of day is night time. Okay? Let's move on to question 3. If we are going too fast, after we do each question, pause, do it by yourself, and then unpause the video to follow along, okay? So, what do we got? So we see, how's the weather? Well, let's look at the picture. So, what do we see? What are these white things in the sky? Well, it looks like snow. And if we look right here, can you see that off the roof? That looks like ice. Looks like ice. So, for there to be ice, it has to be cold. Now, if there is snow and ice, it is cold. So, for weather, let's go. So for the weather, we can say the weather is snowy. Make sure you add the Y. The weather is snowy. Snowy and cold. Now we know it is cold because there is ice. It has to be cold for there to be ice, okay? Now let's move on. Question 4. Okay. Question 4 says, what do you see in the bedroom? So let's look at the picture. Let's see in the bedroom. What do we see? We see, well, there is, I'll use my finger. There is a car, a toy car. There is a lamp. There's also a bed. On the floor, there is a carpet. And in the box, there are toys. There is another lamp. This, where the lamp is on, that is called a dresser. So, for question 4, pick 3 things that you see and write a list. So, I am going to write, what do you see? I see, we'll say, I see a truck, comma, we'll say a lamp. Now when we are doing a list, the last thing in the list, we always say the word, do you guys know? We do this in class. And a bed, okay? I see a truck, a lamp, and a bed, okay? You don't have to say those things, you can say other things. This is just an example, okay? Let's move on to question 5. So, question 5 says, if we look, question 5 says, what do you see in the living room? Well, let's look in the living room. What do we see? Okay, let's say them all. Well, if we look right there, that is a television or a TV. A TV. We have a mom, a dad, and a boy. Okay? We also have cookies. And that looks like, is that a cat or? That is a cat. Okay? We also have, what's this? This green thing. That is a Christmas tree. And we also have a chair, a table. These socks, those socks are called stockings, okay? So those socks, those are called stockings, okay? So if you look at the picture, those right there, 1, 2, 3, those are stockings, okay? Now, I am going to write, I see a mom, a dad, and a Christmas tree, okay? You don't have to say that. You can say anything you want in this picture. We need 3 things, okay? So, I'm going to say, I see a mom, comma, a dad. When we're at the end of a list, what do we do? What do we say? And a Christmas tree. Okay? Now you can say that you see a TV, a chair, a cat, cookies, stockings, a boy, presents, anything you want. You can say that. We need 3 things, okay? Now, if we move on, we have, okay, let's go with, what colors are they? So let's look at the picture. So what color is the Christmas tree? The Christmas tree is green, but there is also yellow and red. Okay? What about, let's see, what about the boy's bed? What colors do we see? There's blue, yellow, and green. And what about, let's see, the boy. What color is the boy wearing? The boy is wearing blue. So, for number, that is going to be number 6. For number 6, tell me the colors of 2 things. 2 things. I'm going to say the Christmas tree is green. And the Christmas tree is green and the chair is blue. And the chair is blue. Okay? So, make sure you have this written down. Okay? I'm going to erase. When you so pause the video, and I'm going to erase after. Okay? So pause. Okay. The next one. If we see the question, that is question 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Question 8. Who do you see? Let's look at the picture. Who do we see in the picture? We see Mom, Dad, and a boy. But we also see a cat. Okay? So question 8, who do you see? Question 8, who do you see? I see a mom, comma, a dad, another comma, because we have 4 things this time, 4, a mom, a dad, a boy, and we're at the end of the list. So what word do we use at the end of the list? And a cat. I see a mom, a dad, a boy, and a cat. Okay? Let's move on to question 9. Okay. Actually, let's do question 10. We'll skip question 9 and we'll do question 10. Okay? So, question 10 says, what are they wearing? So let's look at Mom. What color is Mom wearing? So Mom has a red dress and a green sweater. And let's look at Dad. Dad has a green jacket and blue pants. And the boy has blue pajamas on. Okay? So we'll say one thing from each parent, from each person. So the mom has a red dress. The dad has a green jacket. And the boy has blue pajamas. Okay, so that'll be our answer for 10. So, the mom has a red dress, comma. The dad has a green jacket. We're coming to the end of the list. What word do we use? And the boy has blue pajamas. Now, pajamas, P-A-J-A-M-A-S, pajamas are what you wear to sleep, okay? All right. What is the next one? What are they doing? Okay. Okay, let's go to question 11. So, question 11 says, what are they doing? Well, what is the boy doing? the boy looks like he is running. Okay? The dad he might be waving or talking to the boy, and the mom is getting cookies. Okay? So we'll say the boy is running, the dad is talking to the boy, and the mom is eating cookies. Okay, this is going to be a long one, but then we're almost done. So, the boy is running, the dad is talking to the boy, and we're at the end of the list. So the end of the list, and the mom is eating cookies. Okay, that's number 11. Number 12. Okay, number 12, do you like Christmas? Why? So this is a Christmas picture. So it's asking, do you like Christmas? I like Christmas. I like Christmas because I like presents and I like to spend time with my family. But your answer can be different. So what we're going to say is, I like Christmas. Wait. Christmas has a capital C. You have to use a big C for Christmas. I like Christmas because I like presents and I like to spend time with my family. Okay? Make sure you have that. You can do a different one. Pause the video if you have to. And the last one is write anything about this picture. So, what you have to do is write one sentence about the picture. One sentence about this picture. Anything you want about the picture. And then you are finished. When you are finished, take a picture, send it to your teacher, and we will correct it. If you have any questions, let us know, and we will help you. That is our whole lesson today. I will see you guys tomorrow, okay? Bye.